This is the unboxing I've been wanting to do for ages. It's come all the way over to me from the States and I've had it about 4 or 5 weeks and I just needed to clear some of the chaos so I could actually enjoy opening this box. So let's have a look and see what's inside. So here goes. I have been dying to open this and I just wanted to wait until I got a bit of spare time because I am definitely going to want to have a play with what's inside. Right, exciting. So in here, I know exactly what these are. These are 16-inch rounds. They're circles. They're Versatex and they're for me to make some samples with. So I'm just going to put those to one side for a moment. Because I have had a sample of those before. This box is from Thermoweb and they've kindly sent me a whole box of goodies that I can test out, I can have a play with and I can share with you what I'm making. So first we've got some Heat and Bond iron-on vinyl. And at another point, I will go through these and we will have a look in a bit closer detail. So are these both the same? No, these are different. So this one has got a matte finish and this one has got a gloss finish. When I was talking to Thermoweb, they said, let us know what you want to have a try because they've got so many amazing products. So I did say I would love to try some wadding. So for those of you that are in the States and Canada, you'll call it batting, but they have sent me 2 different types of batting or wadding. So this one is 100% cotton and I can try it on my next quilt. So that's the first one. And then I wanted to try bamboo because I have never tried a bamboo wadding. So that's going to be fun to have a look at as well. I'm stacking everything up on top of my Janome machine. Wow, this is a bolt of Heat and Bond light. I've got some great ideas for applique patterns. So yes, I'll definitely be making use of that. And then we've got lots of goodies in here. We've got some Fusible interfacing. That's Heat and Bond. I did say I'd like to try the peel and stick basting tape as well. So we'll do different videos with these. Oh, this is double-sided adhesive. I've got 2 of those. And we've got the Heat and Bond light quilter's edge. So there's 2 of those as well. What else have we got? Right, so this is non-woven fusible light. So that's definitely going to come in handy. We've got some of the Heat and Bond Easy Print Light. So you can print your own designs off. I want to use these for free motion embroidery. So I think there's 2 of those. So I've got 2 of those. So we've got some pressing paper as well. This is something else I wanted to have a play with. The pile is getting higher there. We've got permanent adhesive, which is the peel and stick fabric fuse. It says on the back, this is for hems, ribbon and trims. So that's going to be good fun. We've got easy seam tape as well. So this is a soft, light wear sheer interfacing. Oh, I think we've got 2 of those. Thank you. We've got some fabric fuse. So this is a quick bond fabric adhesive. That'll be very handy. Oh, this. I don't know how to use this. So this is all going to be a bit trial and error, but this is liquid vinyl. And I've seen people make some amazing things with this. So, yeah, I'm going to really read up on this one. Heat and Bond liquid vinyl. And then we've got some Jennifer Long sparkle paste. I love making table toppers and little wall hangings, and I thought that these sparkle paste would just add some really different elements to it. So I'm very excited. So we've got like an emerald green. Actually, it matches my top. We've got a silver. We've got red. We've got like a goldy silver and, oh, I don't know what that one's called. That's called Snowflake. So I'm hoping to have well, I will be having a play with these on my table toppers because I've got some new designs that I'm working on at the minute. So I'm really excited to be working in partnership with Thermoweb. So thank you so much for the opportunity, and I cannot wait to get stuck in and try out some of the goodies that I haven't tried before.